कौन सा जुमला या वर्ड था जो सबसे ज़्यादा मसला हुआ बोलने में और बहुत देर लगी प्रोनाउंस करने में या उसको डायलॉग को करने में? कोई डायलॉग या
I don't
वर्ड
know if
है?
I should tell the story, but I'll say it,
हाँ.
and then you can see if you want to keep it. But it's really funny. I had this line in the drama. Okay, fine. I had this line basically where I had to say the word, ये like लड़का काबिज हो गया है, or something like that. ये लड़का काबिज हो गया है. वो
जायदाद पे काबिज हो गया है.
It was about that. And then I was saying it, and it was a scene. One of the first few scenes जहाँ मुझे गुस्सा होना है. तो मुझे नर्व्स थी एंड लाइक एड्रेनलिन पंपिंग, और मैं गुस्सा होती नहीं हूँ, तो जब मैं गुस्सा होती बस मेरा दिल धड़कने लग जाता है. तो आई वाज़न्ट एंग्री, मेरा बस दिल बहुत ज़ोर से धड़क रहा था. एंड देन मैं गई, मैं लाइन लाइक डिलीवर करी, और वो लड़का है इस घर पर काबिज हो गया है, और मैंने कहा सब खड़े हुए हैं, यू नो हाउ मेनी पीपल आर ऑन, लाइक वो लड़का इस घर पर कब्ज हो गया है, यू नो, एंड आई एम जस्ट and I keep saying my line, and I don't, and everyone starts laughing. Like there were these two,
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. This was literally the reaction, and
okay, this line has to go out.
No, it's funny. You can keep it.
No, my line. Okay.
So then this happens, and the two girls who were playing like little sisters and stuff, they're just like, they start laughing, right? And I thought कि मैंने line गलत कह दी, right? तो सब हंसने लग गए, like तामीन भाई, DOP starts laughing, everyone starts laughing, and then I'm so nervous. This was like my second week. I started tearing up. Oh God!
Right? Second week में?
Yeah, second, third week. Like first month में था, and I start tearing up, and I'm like, yeah, but did I do it wrong? Like line नहीं याद हो रही मुझसे, did I do it wrong? And then Hadika ji is so sweet. She's like, beta, Kabiz means constipation. I mean, comes means constipation. She's like, beta comes means constipation. And I'm like, oh, you know, and then I'm saying the line, but every time I get to Kabiz, everyone wants to laugh, right? Or I think a few times मैंने फिर से Kabiz भी कहा था उसी line में, क्योंकि now I'm just nervous, right? But this was honestly one of the sweetest moments I had with Hadika ji, because when I walked out of that scene, and because it was a scene where we walked in and then we walked out. So when I walked out of the scene, I started crying, and I was like, I don't know what I'm doing, like I shouldn't be here. And she was like very like, don't do this, you know, like you got this, like very good pep talk and stuff like that. But it was a very defining moment for me on set. Like sabne definitely wo yaad kiya.
You made everybody laugh.
Yeah, it made everybody laugh, but I was not laughing in that moment.
I'm just trying to make you feel better.
I now that I look back and I think it honestly was so funny.
कौन था set पे?
I'm happy none of the guys were there, because then it would have
just
become
okay, then you were saved, yeah.
It was just me, Hadika ji,
and the two girls.
And the two girls, yeah.
Okay.
But it was yeah, it was very fun, very very.
Thank you for sharing it with us. I think ये share करने में भी आपको काफी हिम्मत लगी होगी. So I want to admire your bravery. आपका ख्याल है acting ने आपको किसी तरीके से change कर दिया?
I think थोड़ा सा it does make a person more sure of themselves. थोड़ा सा आपको confident definitely करता है, और ये आपकी confidence build करता है. To be so vulnerable in front of a bunch of people is a very scary thing. I don't think it's easy. I admire anyone who does it so effortlessly. मुझे पता है it probably is years of experience या just working on yourself. लेकिन for sure it's the confidence thing.
I think brave भी बना देता है. मतलब मैं अब आपकी बातें सुन रही हूँ तो मुझे तो लगता है बहुत बहादुरी चाहिए कि आपने ये चीज़ किया है फिर उसको फेस करें. एंड मतलब जो भी है अभी हम हंस रहे हैं, बट आई थिंक 2 दिन तो आप सोचती रहोगे, ओह गॉड व्हाट डिड आई डू, व्हाट डिड आई डू.
After that moment, like I didn't want to go on set. And then the thing was that I really, really look up to Hadika ji and Danish bhai and even Tameen bhai, the DOP. So it was just very embarrassing to be like, oh my god, she's saying constipation on camera. Like,
but वही मैं कह रही हूँ ना, फिर it requires courage कि आप वापस उस set पे जाएं जहाँ आप you know you did that. So I think makes you brave and gives you more courage. Yeah. पाकिस्तान शिफ्ट होना, ये ख्याल कैसे आया? जो लोग बाहर रहे होते हैं ज़िंदगी का मोस्टली हिस्सा और पले बड़े बाहर होते हैं, उनका मुझे लगता है बहुत कम ये होता है कि वो पाकिस्तान वापस आएँ. तो आपका टोरंटो में ये डिसीजन लेना कि मैं पाकिस्तान वापस जाऊँ, पाकिस्तान को एक्सप्लोर करूँ, किस चीज़ ने प्रॉम्प्ट किया, क्यों हुआ ये?
वही the thing I was discussing with you earlier where it's like आपसे जब कोई पूछता है आप किधर से हैं, जब आपको वो confusion होती है, I feel like you realize कि आपको शायद थोड़ा सा और explore करना पड़े. For me like it was Pakistan because I said कि मैं पाकिस्तान से हूँ, मैं कभी रही नहीं हूँ. I wanted to be able to be like मैं वहाँ रही हूँ, I know the culture, I understand it. Although my parents have done a very good job with instilling the culture and even the language. हम आयरलैंड में उर्दू ही बोलते थे घर पर and like that's how we learned it. लेकिन there is something to be said about living in the country you're from.
Of course.
और आप जितना भी बाहर रहें, जितना भी आपको मज़ा आए, I thoroughly enjoyed my time in Toronto. I miss it all the time. There's nothing like being in the country you're from. And even though मुझे jokes नहीं समझ आते half the time या मुझे food poisoning हो जाती है, I still really enjoy Pakistan. I still really enjoy Pakistan, and it is it's been such an experience. Like honestly, I came a year and a half ago, and then I did a drama, and I got to explore certain things जो मुझे पता भी नहीं था मैं explore कर सकती हूँ. And
कितनी नई opportunities खोल दिया उस एक decision ने ना.
Exactly.
But आप थोड़े दिन के लिए आई थी, आपने सोचा नहीं था permanently रहेंगी या permanently रहने का सोच के आई थी?
नहीं, I was only here for 3 months. मैं वो design करने आई थी और मैं वापस जा रही थी. फिर when I did that, I was like, I want to sit here and then try to see what I can do.
Okay.
तो फिर मैंने कहा कि अगर मैं कुछ करूँगी, I'm going to do it wholeheartedly. So
कितनी एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ रही है पाकिस्तान के लाइफस्टाइल के लिए? कभी कभी फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग हो जाता है, कुछ चेंजेस, कुछ एडजस्टमेंट्स?
Obviously like I've come to Pakistan growing up, मुझे पता है कि like what works here, what doesn't work here. लेकिन थोड़ा सा like वो because I've lived outside for so long, I feel like लोग यहाँ, like for instance, it's such a small example, but like friendliness is taken as being flirty or something like that. तो वो चीज़ें मुझे थोड़ा सा बहुत like I found those things weird. जब मैं शुरू में आई थी, I am very like Assalamu alaikum, hello, how are you, smiling, and I feel like people are not that open and like welcoming like that here. So it's very like
इसका तो कुछ और ही मतलब है.
Or something, or like she's just so like 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 this. And I realized मैं बहुत suppress करती थी initially when I used to come here. I'd be like, oh, should I say hello? Like मैं क्या सलाम करूँ या क्या करूँ? And then I was just like, okay, like leave it now. Like this is just how I am. Like if I remember saying this thing in my like last interview, the gym thing, where I was just smiling at someone and then they went back to their friend and they're like, oh, they're cool, like just smiling at me.
Oh really?
Yeah, because they were just like passing by me, and then I was like,
You can't even smile in Pakistan.
I was, like that, like stuff like that.
सब ऐसे नहीं होते हैं. वो एक बुरा experience.
It's not everyone, but it's just like कभी-कभी आपको थोड़ा सा aware होना होता है ऐसी चीज़ों के बारे में, and I feel like you just need to. It's so bad to say this, but here it's expected that a girl be a bit more reserved. And I'm not saying like that's a bad thing or anything, but it's just like there's a certain way you have to conduct yourself. It has to be a bit more like in a certain way, which is a bit different from living outside. You can say hello, you can say hi to everyone, you can be friendly, and it's not perceived as something that she has another motive or she's like